cartridges. Can't wait to see what they are.
Brian, the star on top was not going off. Because of the way he was turning it.
Let's see what this one is. Thank you. Oh, it is what I was hoping for. That's right, it's a Notifier pull station, BG10 pull station. It's also addressable too. And here's the terminal blocks. Got to figure out which is positive and negative. I don't have my Notifier keys at this moment, so I can't reset it right now. But this was in use condition. So this guy is. And I heard this is compatible with my AFP 100, so I could do like true system tests now. Yay. There we go. Let's see. Oh. And I now have a SpectrAlert Advance. This is the model number PC2WH. Let's see what the goodies had come in. Though I did see some SpectrAlert Advances today when I was doing respite. And yes, I am aware how loud these things are. Here goes the manual. Shit. This is the high candela model, and yes, it is the ceiling mount model. It is multi-candela, like. Then here's the mounting hardware and the mounting plate, the mounting bracket. Yep. Here we go. Then there's your little contact pins, and then there's your little tabs where you can take the cover off. I now have a SpectrAlert Advance, and I did plan on getting one at that point for one of the teachers at Kelly Walsh, just to have in my collection. And it is a snap-on device where you wire everything up right here, and then click it on and then screw it on with the bottom with the screwdriver. I would reset this, but I don't have my Notifier key present. And I don't have my Notifier key present. So, yeah. And yes, this was to make up for the BG10s that I lost when I got this system. And I now have a SpectrAlert Advance, which is awesome. Let's see what the candela settings are. 135, 150, 177, and 185. Focus that in.
Quiet. What's this one?
It is.
Heavy.
Is it heavy?
Yeah.
Yeah. I now have a Notifier addressable BG10 and a SpectrAlert Advance. And yes, I am aware how loud these things are.
Yeah, they're loud.
And then here is your audio control right here. One is temporal 3 high. 2 is temporal 3 medium.
How do you test
3 is temporal 3 low. 4 continuous high. 5 continuous medium. And 6 continuous low.
How do you test them?
With 9-volt batteries?
Yeah.
You just hook up a pair of batteries and then you wire everything up right here on the mounting plate, and then you hook it up and then connect it to the batteries. But this little plate is how you mount the device on your back box. So yeah.
That's cool.
Then here's your little contact pins where you
You're gonna get me interested in fire.
where you do your electrical connections, where you wire up everything on your mounting bracket, and then you snap it on there, and then screw everything in.
Is that a little bit of dust?
Oh, let me see. I gotta pull it. Let's give it a pull.
It's already pulled.
Oh man, it's a lot of power in my hand right there.
Yeah, it's already pulled. It's already pulled, and it is a little dusty, despite its condition, yeah. And then here's where you set the address. If I'm not mistaken, this is compatible with my AFP 100 panel. And yeah.
You're not old enough.
I also am getting another SpectrAlert Advance, but it's the mini horn models. I can't wait to take this bad boy home and crank it up to bust my ears on the future system test. I can't wait. I got to figure out which is positive and negative. I don't, because I can't see with this wire. And here's the labels when it was in its facility, yeah. And then here's the lock where you reset the pull station. So once, and the handle is also spring loaded too, because when you put the key in, you twist it, you turn the key, open it up, the handle springs back up, and then close it, because this is a button switch instead of a
paint cover.
It is a paint cover for the mounting plate, yeah.